Crisis and how it affects us. What really is the water crisis? Water scarcity is a problem that affects everybody from every continent. Water scarcity is the lack of fresh water to meet the standard demand. As the population grows, so does the demand for water. Due to this, many places do not get the amount of water that they need, and people have to walk miles in order to get unfiltered, unsanitary water. Who does the water crisis affect? Close to 1 million people die because of water-related problems. In many areas with no water, residents have to drink unfiltered surface water, which leads to a variety of different problems, such as typhoid fever, cholera, and other waterborne diseases. While waterborne diseases are not the only problem that originate from water, another problem is that people will not be able to get enough food because all of the ground is dry. There are many current solutions in place, such as desalination, rainwater harvesting, and dams, but many of the existing solutions can cost lots of money, use lots of energy, and are hard to spread the idea of. Is there really a solution out there? Let's talk about other solutions. Greywater systems could be a solution that could solve the water crisis. What are greywater? Greywater is softly used water by the laundry machine, toilets, bathtubs, and baths, and does not come in contact with waste or any other form of fecal material. How much does a greywater system cost? In order to create an effective and cheap filtration mechanism and a diversion mechanism, I created a diversion mechanism and filtration mechanism out of commonly available materials that I bought at a common hardware store. This greatly reduced the cost from $400 all the way down to $96, but did not harbor anything to the efficiency of the filter. My filter cost only $96, while the usual cost can be anywhere from $400 all the way up to $5,000. My filter consists of sand, large gravel, small gravel, and sponge. Including the cost of the pipes and glue, it is only $96. Places like South America, Africa, and Asia are one of the main places with an economic water scarcity. Close to 9 trillion gallons of water are wasted annually, and 16% of that wasted water could be reused and not wasted if people had greywater systems. Only about 20 million people use and have a greywater system. Spreading the idea. I convinced my neighbors to install greywater systems too by telling them about the benefits and the cheap cost of $96 for a very efficient greywater system. Why are you drilling a hole in the wall? I'm making a greywater system. What's that? It filters and diverts water so that it can be used in different places. Where does it come from? It comes from a washing machine, sink, or tub. Sounds expensive. It only costs $96.
My neighbor told me about greywater systems. Greywater systems help me save a lot of money. Greywater systems help me save $1,120 annually. I love greywater systems.